Hi to all. Welcome to Srinivas Physics classes. Subscribe my channel for the physics lectures. Today I am going to explain revised syllabus for the class 12 CBSE board exam. Some chapters are deleted, not some chapters, sorry. Some topics from each chapter deleted. And now the revised portion I will explain along with that some important topics for the long answer, short answer, very short answer also I am going to explain. Now video is very useful for you and you can listen totally. Okay. You can also share to your friends. It will be benefit for everyone. Okay. Now first we have the 14 chapters in our syllabus. We have 14 chapters in our syllabus. Out of these 14 chapters, you see here, this the CBSE gave this syllabus and the distribution of marks. You see here, the first three chapters combinedly, 1, 2, 3, electric charges and fields, potential and capacitance, current electricity. Combinedly, first three chapters, you will get the 16 marks. Okay, you will get 16 marks. Out of 16 marks, you will get the one long answer question. Okay, out of 16 marks, one long answer question you will get. That long answer question gives the 5 marks for you. Okay, and the long answer question you may get from electric charges and fields. You may get from electric charges and fields or current electricity. Okay, and the next one is the magnetic effect of next first three chapters is completed. That is the 16 marks. Next, magnetic effect of electric current. Next, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Next, four chapters combinedly gives the 17 marks for you. From this also you will get the one long answer question. Mostly, if you will see the previous papers, okay, 90% you will get the question from the alternating current. This chapter is a very important chapter, alternating current. Don't skip anything in the alternating current. This is very important for the long answer question. And latter, next important chapter is the moving charge and magnetism. From these two chapters, there is a chance to get the long answer question. And in that, alternating current is very, very important. Okay, right. And the next one is the next unit we will go. The next coming chapters are the 8, 9, 10. You see the 8, 9, 10. Okay, this 8, 9, 10 combinedly gives the 18 marks. That means only 3 chapters, but 18 marks. Okay, 18 marks means more marks you will get it here just by reading the 3 chapters. In this also you will get the one long answer question, right? That long answer question 5 marks you will get from, I think, mostly if you will go for the previous all papers, either you will get the long answer question from ray optics or you will get the wave optics. I will also give few important questions also that are mostly repeated questions. The next one is the next set of chapters are the 11, 12, 13. Okay, 11, 12, 13. That 11, 12, 13 combinedly three chapters, it will give for you 12 marks. The last chapter, that is alone 14th chapter, it will give us 7 marks. It has only 4 topics in that. Then that will give for you 7 marks. Then that means this is also most important chapter and you don't miss this chapter. And those who are afraid for the derivation part, and you read the 11, 12, 13, 14 chapters, in that derivation is less and small chapters, and you will get the direct questions from that. Okay, and this is about 3 questions. Next one is we are going to discuss about revised syllabus. Okay, and continuation, I will give some important questions also along with it. The important questions, I will give the important topics, I will highlight with the red. Okay, see here. In this, the most important topic is Coulomb's law. Okay, see the Coulomb's law. This is Coulomb's law is important, and based on this, the problems also important to practice. Next, electric field. Electric field due to point charge, electric field lines, electric dipole, electric field on the axis of dipole, on the equatorial line of dipole, torque on the dipole in uniform magnetic field. These topics are important. These are important for the 3 marks. Okay, this one and these are all important for the either 3 marks or the 2 marks. And the next coming soon, okay, I will highlight the with the yellow, and they are the 5 marks questions. You see here, these are the Gauss law 3 applications are there. That out of 3 applications, one application is removed, and from the syllabus there are only 2 applications are there. That is the electric field due to infinite straight wire and uniform charged wire, and these are important for the 5 marks. Okay, Gauss law 2 applications of Gauss law and Gauss law statement and proof are important for the 5 marks question. These topics are important for the 5 marks. Okay, next we will see second chapter, electrostatic potential and capacitance. Then in this long answer questions are important. That is about capacitor concept, capacitor and capacitance, combination of capacitors, series and parallel combination, and the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor with dielectric without a dielectric medium between the plates, and energy stored in the semiconductor. These are important. Okay, these are important for the long answer question, but mostly you will get the long answer question from first chapter also. Even in sample paper also, they give this application. This time sample paper they gave this application. You see, that is a uniformly charged plane sheet. This is the long answer question in the sample paper. 5 marks in sample paper it is they gave. Previously also they gave this long answer question only. This is one more long answer question, right? You practice the Gauss law statement and proof also. Okay, this is also one more long answer question, and either problem or 5 marks question directly they will ask. Let us go for the next chapter. Next chapter is the potential and capacitance. This one completed, and the next one is the current electricity. In the current electricity, what are the important questions? In the current electricity, the important questions are most important questions I will give. Okay, the most important concept is the drift velocity concept. Okay, this drift velocity concept is important for the 3 marks. Drift velocity and its relation with the current. You know, VD formula is I by NAE. Okay, rho is equal to in terms of relaxation time. Okay, M by NE square tau, like this, and drift velocity and relaxation time EE by M into tau. These derivations are important for the 3 marks. This is for the 3 marks. The next important ASA is the for the 5 marks. We will explain what are the important for the 5 marks. You see here, very important, and that is the Kirchhoff laws topic. Okay, Fitch and bridge, meter bridge, potentiometer, principle and application to compare the EMFs of two cells. to measure the internal resistance of cell. Okay, very important this one. And this is the previous question. This is very important. Okay, 3 marks or 5 marks. And comparison of EMFs of two cells also important. This Kirchhoff law is also very important. Okay, whatever that I highlighted, and that is very important. Okay. Next, moving charge and magnetism. This full chapter is important. You practice full chapter. In this, the Bayard-Savart law, applications of Bayard-Savart law due to current carrying loop, Ampere's law, infinite state wire, okay, toroid, solenoid, all are previously repeated questions. And force on current carrying wire in uniform magnetic field, force between two parallel conductors, force between two parallel current carrying conductors, define 1 ampere, torque experienced on the current loop, moving coil galvanometer, current sensitivity, current conversion of total all topics you can read. This chapter is very important. Okay, even though I will give some special important for you. Okay, and that I will again highlight. This is the force on current carrying conductor in the uniform magnetic field. Force between two parallel current carrying conductors. Definition of 1 ampere. Torque on current carrying loop. Okay, in the magnetic field. This is moving coil galvanometer. These topics are very important. Very important. And in this Bayard-Savart law is also very important. To see here, this Bayard-Savart law is also very important. Actually, this chapter is totally important. Next, magnetism and matter. In the magnetism and matter, the most important and most repeated topic I will explain, that is elements of current loop as magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron. Yes, this topic is important. This topic is important. Magnetic moment of revolving electron. There is a one derivation will be there. EVR by 2, or the magnetic moment E by 2m into angular momentum. Derivation is important for the 3 marks. Previously, mostly repeated CBSE question. And either problem or concept will come in the exam. The next one is magnetic field. Magnetic field lines, magnetic elements. Magnetic elements is very important topic. Okay, magnetic elements are very important. What are the magnetic elements? Angle of dip, or inclination. Angle of dip or inclination. Second one is angle of magnetic declination. Right, magnetic declination. Magnetic declination. Next one is horizontal component of Earth magnetic field. These are the three elements and the relation between them. Okay, there is a formula is there, tan delta is equal to BV by BH. And the net earth magnetic field formula is there, B is equal to root of BH square plus BV square. That are very important. Okay, very, very important. This bar magnet is equivalent to the solenoid. This is also one time repeated question. Okay. Next, we will continue with the next chapter, electromagnetic induction. In the electromagnetic induction, okay, electromagnetic induction, Faraday's laws, induced EMF formula derivation, D currents is important, self-induction and mutual induction. So in this also you have to read every topic, it is better. Alternating current. This is the most important chapter. Why? Because from this you will get the long answer question. Okay, you will get the long answer question. That's why you read all topics. In this, what is important for the long answer? The most important long answer question is LCR series circuit. This is the most important. Series and resonance power in AC circuit. Okay, and this is important for the 5 marks. This is important for the 5 marks. And next, actually it is a small chapter. It is better to read all topics. Okay, and very important. Sometimes what you expect that you will not get, that's well. Some chapters it is better to read total. Okay, alternating current is a chapter. It don't leave any topic. I said moving charge and magnetism also don't leave any topic. AC also don't leave any topic. Okay, right. Next, electromagnetic wave. It's a small chapter, right? If you read everything, it is good. You will get the 3 marks question from this. Okay, that mostly 3 marks question from electromagnetic spectrum only. Okay, from electromagnetic spectrum, most important. Electro EM waves uses EM wave uses you how to read, and production how EM wave produced. Okay, and that you have to read. That applications are very important, and frequency ranges, wavelength ranges that you have to by heart. And from this 100% you will get the 3 marks question. And the next one is the ray optics. In the ray optics, the 5 marks question you will get refraction at spherical surface. Okay, lens maker's formula, combined lens, refraction through the prism, and optical instruments are very important. Okay, next chapter. For the 3 marks, one chapter. These are the 5 marks questions. Okay, 5 marks questions are the. This is 5 marks question. This is also 5 marks question. Okay, this is also 5 marks question. These are very important. Okay, and for the in these 2 marks questions also there's this total internal reflection is very important for the 2 marks. Optical fiber total important, very important for the 2 or 3 marks. Next, wave optics. In the wave optics, Young's double slit experiment, expression for fringe width. This is important. And next, diffraction due to single slit. This is important. Next, reflection and refraction of plane wavefront. It's a proof. These 5 topics are important. These are important. Okay, and these are important for the lima. 5 marks. 5 marks. 5 marks. Okay, fringe width also 5 marks. In exhibition experiment, condition for bright band and dark band is important. And this reflection refraction proof by the line wavefront is important for the 3 marks. Next, dual nature. Dual nature, Einstein photoelectric equation. This is important. And experimental study of photoelectric effect is important. De Broglie relation is important. And alpha scattering, it's a small chapter. If you wish, you can read total. Okay. This electronic device also you have to read total. Very important chapter. You will get the 7 marks from this. 7 marks. This is the latest syllabus. Okay. And every topic you have to read. This is for the 3 marks. Okay. Everything is important for the 3 marks. Very simple. I think we will get only 5-6 pages notes. 5 or 6 page notes. I will give the notes. Okay. And this time about practical. This is about theory. About practicals, if you will come, this time you have to record only 8 experiments. You see, 8 experiments. Okay, these are the experiments and record the 6 activities. 8 experiments you have to write in the record and 6 activities you have to write. 6 activities. And in this, in the exam, you will get the 30 marks. They give the list of experiments. In this, just you have to complete the 8 experiments. Okay. In exam, out of 8 you have to do 2 experiments. You will get the 16 marks. 8 experiments are the total. Out of that you have to do the 2 experiments, and in that total 8 experiments are there. In exam you will get only 2 experiments, any 2, and that 2 you will get the 16 marks, and record you will get the 7 marks, and viva on activities is the 7 marks. Okay, total 30 marks you will get from the practicals. Okay, and I will explain the little bit question paper model also this time. What you will get in the question paper model I will write. The question paper is the theory question paper model I will write. Just model means how many questions you will get. Okay, total 70 marks. In that first 10 mark, 1 mark questions. Okay, that is a 10 marks. Okay, 10 1 mark questions, 10 short answers, very short questions. Okay, and for assertion reason, 4 marks you will get. For assertion and reason type questions. Assertion and reason type questions. And next, this is under section A. The section B contains 2 questions. Each question carries the 4 marks. Okay. In this first section contains 14 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. Second section contains 2 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. 2 for the 8 marks. And section C contains. Okay. Section C contains 9 questions. These are 9 questions. Each question carries. This is the 9 questions. Here 2 questions. Here 4 questions. 10 questions. And each question carries 2 marks. You will get the 18 marks. The section D contains 5 questions. Each question carries the 3 marks. 15 marks you will get. Section E, 3 long answer questions with internal choice. Then you will get the 15 marks. Total 10, 4, 8, 18, 15, 15. You will get the 70 marks. This is about the paper model. Okay, you will get the internal choice. Total 33 questions will be there. 33 questions, 70 marks, 3 hours time. This is about exam pattern. Okay, and continuation, I will make the lectures for the previous CBSE questions and most important question answers, sample paper discussion, and we will do everything. For the latest updates, I will also next coming video I will explain one sample paper with solutions. And subscribe my channel, share to your friends. Thank you to all. Don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon. Now I am doing the live classes. If you want, you can join the live classes. Already the recorded lectures are present in the playlist. You can go to the playlist. Okay, in the place to select the chapter which you want to read, and then in that you can practice. I will explain the every topic with the notes. Then while listening you can write the notes by taking screenshots. Okay, no need to search for the other notes, right? Whatever that I am teaching, that I will give as notes, right? It is very benefit for you. Thank you to all. Subscribe and share to your friends.